Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display your bookmarks or favorites on Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon, and it's where you'll access most of the browser's settings and features. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Bookmarks and List. This section contains all the tools you need to manage and view your saved bookmarks. Click on it to reveal additional bookmark-related options. This is where Chrome gives you control over how and where your bookmarks appear while you browse. Now here's where it gets interesting because Chrome actually offers you two different ways to display your bookmarks, and each one serves a slightly different purpose depending on your browsing style. Let's explore both options so you can choose the one that works best for you. The first method is to click on Show Bookmark Bar. This option will display a horizontal bar just below your address bar, where all your saved bookmarks will appear as individual icons or text links. This is perfect if you want quick, constant access to your most visited sites without having to dig through menus. The bookmark bar stays visible across all your tabs, making it incredibly convenient for frequent use. The second way to view your bookmarks is a bit different and offers a more organized approach. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner again to reopen the main menu. Navigate back to Bookmarks and List just like before. This time, instead of selecting Show Bookmark Bar, click on Show Bookmarks in Side Panel. When you select this option, Chrome will open a vertical panel on the left side of your browser window. This side panel displays all your bookmarks in a list format, giving you more space to organize folders and see longer bookmark names. It's especially useful if you have a large collection of bookmarks and prefer to keep your main browsing area uncluttered. And that's it. You now have two flexible options for accessing your bookmarks in Chrome. Whether you prefer the always visible bookmark bar for instant access or the organized side panel for a cleaner browsing experience, Chrome makes it easy to customize your workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.